The Samsung Galaxy Z Roll 5G represents one of the most futuristic and ambitious smartphone concepts Samsung is developing, aiming to redefine mobile screen technology by moving beyond traditional folding mechanisms to a rollable display format. Instead of folding like the Z Fold or Z Flip, the Z Roll 5G uses a motorized rollable OLED screen that can extend from a compact 6.8-inch device up to around 12.4 inches, offering a tablet-like canvas without any crease lines typical of foldables. This adaptive display supports a 144 Hz refresh rate and extremely high peak brightness, delivering smooth, vibrant visuals for gaming, multitasking, and media consumption. Under the hood, Samsung is expected to equip the device with a Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and generous storage options, making it capable of handling demanding tasks, desktop-style productivity, and advanced AI features. The camera system could include a high-resolution main sensor with flexible pixel binning modes and an under-display selfie camera, while a large 8,000 mAh battery with fast wired and wireless charging ensures all-day endurance. With 5G connectivity, premium materials such as a titanium alloy frame, built-in stylus support, and the latest Android and One UI experience, the Galaxy Z Roll 5G is poised to be one of Samsung's boldest flagship innovations when it launches, likely in late 2026, bringing a unique blend of smartphone and tablet functionality into one device.